Quezon City has opened its first competition standard skate park at the Quezon Memorial Circle, providing Q citizens with a space to train and host skateboarding events. Mobile journalist Francis Rivera has this report.
Hindi na kailangan mamproblema ng mga skater kung saan sila pwede mag-ensayo. Dahil sa QC, may malawak na palaruan para sa kanila.
With more than 3,500 square meters of space, skaters have plenty of room to showcase their skills and tricks on their skateboards. Located at the Quezon City Memorial Circle, the spacious skate park provides an ideal training ground where skaters can practice, improve, and develop their talent. Skaters says the park is a huge advantage because they now have a space and proper venue to train. Instead of skating along roadsides, which can be dangerous, many skaters now gather at the park to practice their sport.
Sa kalsada lang po kami. Kasama ko po sila. Inaano po kami ng barangay. Sinasaway po kami. Inuuli po kami. Inuwa po yung mga skateboard namin. Ngayon po, salamat po kay Mayor Joy kasi meron na po kami sariling palaruan.
To address these safety concerns, officials created a designated space where skaters can practice in a safe and well-maintained environment.
Ligtas na lugar yung mga skaters natin na makapaglaro at mahasa ang kanilang skills.
Alongside the skate park, the tennis courts are also free and open to everyone. The facility has quickly become a favorite training venue for players, who says it helped reduce their training expenses.
As a trainer, kasi nakakalibre kami ng court dito pagpunta namin. Tas mas madali pag-book. Playable po talaga siya. Maganda po yung pinagawang court na to. Nakakainganyo po pumunta dito.
More than just a recreational space, the park aims to encourage visitors to adopt a more active and healthy lifestyle.
Itong inisyatiba po ito ay para magkaroon ng active lifestyle ang ating mga kabataan. Lalong-lalo na po ngayon, puro mga cellphones, puro mga gadgets na lang ang kinukuha nila. Inatupag. Kaya ito, isang magandang kwan po ito, isang magandang venue para iwasan nila mag-cellphone. Maging aktibo sila, maging fit sila.
Visitors are reminded that certain items, including plastic bottles, are not allowed inside the Quezon Memorial Circle. At the skate park, a no skateboard, no helmet, no entry policy is strictly enforced. For those without a helmet, free helmets are available for loan upon presentation of a valid ID. Meanwhile, those who wish to use the tennis courts are required to book a schedule online by sending a reservation request through the facility's official email. Park officials says marshals are deployed throughout the area to help ensure visitors' safety, while medical personnel are also on standby to provide first aid when needed. The skate park and tennis court are open daily from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Both facilities are free to use and open to the public.
Yung respeto ng bawat isang manlalaro. Kasi po open po siya. So respeto po sa mga manlalaro natin and then respeto rin po sa ating mga marshals. Sumunod lang po sila sa ating rules and regulations.
Mga kapatid, Mumble journalist Francis Rivera, we are One News.